In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an impressive flash effect to your video using CapCut. This simple yet engaging tutorial is perfect for those who want to spice up their videos and capture the audience's attention. So if you're ready, let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to start by placing your main clip on the CapCut timeline. This step sets the foundation for everything we're going to enhance your video with. Whether it's a clip of a recent trip or a moment you've captured creatively, it is this main footage that you're going to enrich with the artistic touch we're learning today. Next, it's time to add some drama with a flash effect. This feature is fantastic for emphasizing an event within your video, creating an impactful and memorable viewing experience. Navigate to the effects menu and browse through the selections to find the flash effect that fits your video style. Once found, simply drag and drop it onto the timeline where you'd like that flash of brilliance to appear. A helpful tip here is to preview the effect first. Play it back a few times to ensure it aligns with the mood you're aiming for. Now that we've set the visual stage, let's talk about enhancing the intensity with sound. Adding strobe sound effects can dramatically elevate the impact of the flash, making the experience more immersive. Look for sound effects labeled as strobe in your sound library. Or consider using external sources to find the perfect match. Position this audio clip right under the time frame of your flash effect on the timeline. Remember to listen carefully and adjust the timing if necessary to ensure that both the sound and visual effects hit simultaneously for maximum dramatic effect. Before we wrap things up, there's a crucial step to ensure viewer comfort and safety. You need to insert a flash warning title card at the beginning of your video. This warning is important, as it alerts viewers who may be sensitive to flashing images, allowing them to skip the affected portions if needed. To add this title card, move to the beginning of your timeline. Select the option to add text, and write out a brief, clear warning message. Make it stand out by choosing a bold font and position it so that viewers have enough time to read it before the video starts. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to adding a dramatic flash effect in CapCut. With your main clip set, an exciting flash effect and sound, and a viewer-safe flash warning card, your video is now ready to captivate and ensure a delightful viewing experience. Don't forget to share your creations and explore even more effects CapCut offers. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.